on my buttons with no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we come, pick a destination. Gas me up, give me motivation.
High volume, high volume, high volume, high volume.
Push the stars. Push the stars. Lord, we move.
Yeah. It's a going this one. No, it's a going this one. It's a difficult. It's a. Oh. How do you feel? So money I spent now is scary. Umemulo. Yo, I do not recommend. Ha! I don't recommend him because why imali hamba kanje?
Location, when hey. Oh, but we going.
Skin on the skin, no separation, need no conversation, nah, nah, nah. On everything, it's automatic, going stable to a high, nah, nah. Right, wishing the wheels will fall off. Time is ticking, it's too long. Right before I decide to go.
New character unlocked. Cause what do you mean? Yeah, what do you mean? Jonga, nicely styled and all that. Oh. Period, child. Clock that. Clock the child. Cause what do you mean? Jonga. Clock that. Period. I don't feel like yee anymore.
Like you hurt me, only serve it up if you deserve me, yeah. Pull up and hurt me, push the stars. Like you hurt me, only serve it up if you deserve me, yeah. Pull up and hurt me, push the stars. Pushing on my buttons with no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we come, pick a destination. Gas me up, give me motivation. Now pushing on my buttons with no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we come, pick a destination. Gas me up, give me motivation. Now come give me life and I'll change yours. Hold me signs, I'll stay glory on the high when we loaded. Hold me, love me, hold me. You hurt me, only serve it up if you deserve me, yeah. Pull up and hurt me, push the stars. Like you hurt me, only serve it up if you deserve me, yeah. Pull up and hurt me, push the stars. Pushing on my buttons with no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation.
These are the glasses I'm going to be gifting them with on Saturday. As funny because Lenkulu is for Impele Sizinkulu. So there's 2 of them. And there's 4 of these. And then these are the gift bags I'm going to use. And then these are the hot water bottles that also will be included in the package. But I know that Iwinter Ipelile and all that stuff. But I thought this is a thoughtful gift. So why not get it? Also, last camp back on I get banned. So I thought it was a thoughtful gift. And then I'll put more things there. And then we have a first aid kit. Nancy. A doom, of course, and then the paint that we used in the picnic. And then these are all the stuff that was supposed to work in the picnic and didn't. So yeah. And then we come this side. So as this tea set has always been there my whole life since Ikona. And then obviously these mugs, these cutesy mugs. And then these glasses also worked in get picnicky. And then I also got these bowls because yeah. And then we also have the plates that worked get picnicky. I think they're also gonna work again. And then I've got these Don Lena, these cups from the same shop I got these from. I don't remember the name of the shop, but yeah, I got these cups for us to use on the day. And I was so thoughtful to think about the people and the colors they love, because every time I see purple I think of Umemulo, guys. I can't lie to y'all, so I had to get purple, obviously. And then these are just extras, like whatever, but I'm gonna add more things and stuff like that.
Tell me where we going, pick a destination. Gas me up, give me motivation. No, pushing on my buttons with no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we going, pick a destination. Gas me up, give me motivation. No, give me life, I'll take yours. Prove me signs, I stay golden. On the high, ready loaded. Put it on everything, that I will retire with the ring, and I will retire with the crown. Yes, no, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes, clap for that heavyweight champ, me. But I couldn't do it all alone. We, young money raised me, grew up out in Paisley, Southside Jamaica, Queens when it's crazy. Cause I'm still hood, Hollywood couldn't change me. Shout out to my haters, sorry that you couldn't face me. Don't put your drinks up. Put your drinks up. Put your drinks up.
So I've added a bomb for this plastic here. Wow, too. It's actually the red one and the white one. And then I put this here because wow. And then I've put like these garbage bags here. Mainly because buyers phone and nabomen cheese. So I need to add on the dune the le emhlonyane and then le Umemulo. Nazindwangu zami. This actually kind of matches with and this matches with the towels to get in combine. They're gonna get it on the Sunday they come. Either way, this is the theme. Yabama blocks just matching, nice, cute vibe, you know. Yeah. For Umemulo, we have two different types of amachali. We have this color right here and we have this color right here. Mine looks like this, but it's very different, and I'm so excited for you guys to see that. But mine looks like this, almost similar to this, but actually it's not these types of amachali. Do you understand? And then you'll see it anyways. And we have this one. So these ones Logowa impele senkulu. So I only have two of these. I only got two of these. I actually initially wanted this color, but and they couldn't find enough of these. And I was like, you know what? Because I want us to look neat, it's funny. Let me get these for impele senkulu, because the impele senkulu is two. So we're getting these for impele senkulu, and then the rest will wear this. And then we have indwange too for Wednesday, from Wednesday kahle kahle is because after mhlonyana we're wearing this yabo indwange too, and then this is amabhayu ethu leso agcoka besibuya emfuleni. And then I've added a little element of dramatic because I'm gonna drama mina. So basically in Belisizam on the Friday camp, a Friday, they're all gonna be wearing this. They're all gonna be wearing this bonnet with their names on it. Yeah, it's so cute because I want everyone to look nice, neat, and cutesy, you know. Yeah. Also added these things amash that smell really horrible, just for that dramatic effect. But yeah, here Sentimental hash basically. These basically is okay. Obviously, if I was you, but so the industry is ninyana, just because we need to bath, and yeah, guys, they need to bath. Okay, we also need to bath. Go find a jazz guess and some going on, but anyways, it's fine. Nah, industry was totally there. I don't know how many my mom got. It was like 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. What's that 20? If you count that. But yeah, I got like blankets for Impelese Kulu, you know. Guys, there's no special treatment. It's just that Impelese Kulu, you know, I have two. This is basically for Momo because she really loves purple, and then this is for Joy because I don't really know what color she likes, but I know she's a tomboy and she's not too girly, so I got her that color. And then Momo is like a purple. She's a die for purple fan, so yeah, nuts. So I decided to take one out of the plastic. Combi how soft, and it looks big, hey. So this is the blanket. It's so huge and it looks huge. But here it is. Oh, cutesy, and it's very soft. Also feels very comfortable. I'm sure they'll love it. I hope they love it. So yeah. And there's obviously ngubo zabo mama nezami and whatever, but yeah, ngubo yempelesi then. Both me so good. Get a kettle and don't learn what is this thing called? A toaster. So I also had to get a kettle and a toaster because we didn't have those things here, and ufuna kube comfortable, like you must feel like you're at home but you're not at home. I don't know if you understand. And this is empty, guys. Like there's nothing in here, but like that's just for. Also, we can't have alcohol going on. I can't pause it, so I don't care. And then this I got from Shein. I don't know where to put it, so I'm just gonna place it here for now. Neighbor, I'm just gonna place it here for now, and then whenever I find a spot, things will be but yeah. Here's how it's looking so far, and I like it. It's very beautiful, and the kettle and the toaster actually fits so well in this house. But yeah, hey, guys, I'm so proud of how far we've come. But the progress is there, but it's very slow. I decided to put this in the bathroom because it looks so cute. But I think it looks cuter in the bathroom. Like, this is so cute. This is nice. And of course, we have like our. It also arrived today from Shein. So it's a figure nale on talia. There's the cooking oil and vinegar. These I think we're gonna put Kellogg's, like maybe cornflakes, wheat bix, all brands. What else? Angazi, guys, I don't have breakfast, but I feel like I'm going on in anyways, yeah, nazi ngizonibonisa bese ngifakile keke izinto, but kwamanje this is empty until we get groceries, and then after that sizofaka izinto, so we have like something. Okay, guys, we do have a fruit bowl. I don't know if it's a fruit bowl or what, but sinayo lento lena, and I'm gonna put fruits konalana, maybe like bananas. I don't like bananas, but maybe like bananas apples, maybe like a pear, something. Yeah, my fruits in here are right. Angashala lan ebo swabeke and then whenever like we feel like having a snack, we just some fruit. Got it, yeah, sharp. So it just happens to go high. We just day because we have random glasses laying around everywhere. So now I put them here, just neatly wash them and put them there. And this is the extra towel curtain for the shower curtain. It's an extra shower curtain, and then these are just mags, and those are also deco things, but yeah. And then down there I'm a plate, extra plates and whatnot. The most important things are the side. I still need to clean this glass, but yeah, here we go. Yabo kuhle kanjani? Ngisazonikhomba ke le part lena nikhani nizokhathala yimi. Ningasheshe nikathale because wow, what do you mean indawo yomgonqo inhle kanje? Come on, ningasheshe nikathale. I'm still gonna show you. Look at these crystal glasses. Like, they're so gorgeous. They're so gorgeous. And when I tell you how I got these glasses, you laugh at me. But yeah, anyways. And also, bengafuna ukuwathenga lama bhawu lawa nalama komechi lawa. I was literally told Uzi, no whoopie. And I was like, yeah, and I was like, oh, let's just get them. But yeah. If it wasn't for my mom, but that's, and I chose these ones because they're cute. And I tried going for different colors, but there was no other color, and I just took purple twice. So guys, this vlog is very long, so I hope you have your popcorn on you. Look at those blades, like I'm so obsessed. And then a picnic, and I'm still obsessed with these blades. I love the green here. Like, one thing about me, guys, I'm green, because green is so beautiful with a touch of black. So maybe if I get something black and ooh, ciao, period. And then these mugs, I love this part right here, and I like how they're not just zine drama, zine element. So yeah, I love that. I'm just gonna cut our leg because I'm such a bore now. Hi guys, I'm currently doing spring cleaning because, oh my gosh, and this is the house that we're supposed to sleep in. Yeah, I know you see the background. Tell me your mom was in the tell me your mom was an event planner without telling me your mom was an event planner. Please look at that whole mess over there. Like, I'm trying my best. Oh my gosh, this is so overwhelming because what do you mean? Guys, let's try organize this, because I was like, no, let me not film this. I have to film it. Because what do you mean? I have to do this all by myself, guys. I have to do this all by myself. But anyways, because they're busy with the main house and I'm just doing this side. Oh, Angela, pray for me. And oh, body teacher. Anyways, okay, let's do this. We can do this. Like, we can do it. Ne? I think so. if angiqedi namhlanje, don't blame me. Yo.
I am no longer trying to survive. I believe that life is a prize, but to live doesn't mean you're alive. Don't worry about me and who I fire. I get what I desire, it's my empire. And yes, I call the shots, I am the umpire. I sprinkle holy water upon the vampire. In this very moment, I'm king. In this very moment, I slay Goliath with the sling. This very moment, I bring, put it on everything. That I will retire with the ring, and I will retire with the crown. Yes, no, I'm not lucky.
Hey, guys. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh. Hey, Bontle.
Umpisi mina nganginqala. Uze futhi mhlambe angikukazela indaba konyaka ozayo. Wasompisi mina.
Ukuthi yonke into uzoyana.
Webhuti.
Wena indaba unga-understand uma wrong.
Awuzo.
Mhlawumbe ucabanga ukuthi usina kuyana.
Phuma ke. Phuma ke. Out. Good boy.
Blessed, yes, clap for that heavyweight champ, me. But I couldn't do it all alone. We, young money raised me, grew up out in Paisley, Southside Jamaica, Queens, and it's crazy. Cause I'm still hood, Hollywood couldn't change me. Shout out to my haters, sorry that you couldn't phase me. Put your drinks up. Put your drinks up.
I'm so exhausted. I'm doing a lot. I'm doing a lot. I tell you. Kodwa angiboni mehluko sami. Ibandla. Ngiphuza into le. Ayiphuza energy, by the way. Not at all for your energy. Yep. You put that in taste. My leg has go. I've been cleaning from 10, I think. It's now 1. Esikhathini ngiqeda ngaso nakhona I doubt izoqeda namhlanje ngoba kuningi guys aze ngagoba bheka lefika lelo. Just look at that. Oh my gosh. Anyways, back to business. Okay guys, so I was able to like sort out this whole thingy, whatever, of events, what, but we still have a long way to go, okay? Also, tell me you black without telling me you black. Hi Maxie! Guys, my dog is looking at me. Inside, get man. Hey bro, pum zozo stack. Say hi. Hello. Max. No. Oh my hand. It looks like there's no progress, no? I go vela my bed. But as long as I have my Nokia Christmas hand. Ngithi festive yafika manje. Chama ukuphi? Ha, awena. You know what it's giving? Sure. Show me. Ndike ndahamba ndaye eDurban. Ndadibana nenye inkwenkwe. Into encinci engaka. Kodwa yo. Yamnandi into. It's giving that. It's giving. Don't talk to me. Chanel, by the way. Okay. Chanel. I didn't hear that. Chanel, by the way. Okay. Some Nokia. When it was the it thingy. Within. Hey, bo. Let me show you progress, by the way. Let me show you the progress. Alright, so we already know the whole setup, Ellen. So, you know, my mom did decor and whatnot, so we have a lot of glasses, and I added those glasses, and then these we still have more. I just don't know where they are. Then we have these as well, so this big Yabo? So it's that. I thought I cleaned this mirror. Kodwa ngiyenze worse. I need to fix this. I need to fix this because wow. What the heck? So lama paperback amaningi ngiwabuyiselile where they were, but like yabo. Sharp. Then we still have the space right here. And obviously we still have the space right here. Ngibuyisela lezinto zedekolana right now. Let me do that just now. Ngam plastic wami. It looks so weird. Cause it go 0.5. But anyways, yeah, nak. Come on. Yeah. I fixed it. It's nice and clear now. It's nice and clear now. Period. Guys, bekani ama-iPhone wakudala. Bekani nje, bekani. Oh, bane-collection landlini. Bekani nje. Yeah. So here's the updates, guys. These are 30 seconds, angisho. And ngithola umgusha, kunomgusha ngala. Oh my gosh, izandla zami zibashile. And then these are games, obviously. Puzzle, Scrabble, and I have my coloring pencil and whatnot. Pencil case and a stapler. But it's fine. And then these games we actually got from our white neighbor. Oh gosh, before she moved. She was so sweet. She's like, I want to give you guys all these puzzles. We're like, oh, okay. We've never played them, but this time, yeah, boy. Important things. Isn't those a deck and whatever? Important things. But yeah, looks good. This is how the other part of the house looks. I think all that is like trash and stuff like that. Everything here is trash except that small shame. I'm gonna give it away to someone who needs it, who wants it actually. And then those suitcases are gonna go azoya ekamerin lelia beseng shanyel so shanyel. And then I also want to give away this dry making thingy. Yeah, so everything here is actually going to the bin. And then I don't know if I showed you guys, I swapped these things because anyways, the paints isn't though, you guys know everything I showed you, and the glasses are still the way. Yeah, and then obviously the side is still the same as well. It's just that it isn't though. That's stationary whatnot. Let's push it back. It don't look nice. Anyways, there we go. Yeah, look. I think I should add also it must go behind. I don't know why, because it's longer. It's taller. Let me say that it's taller, so it's a shalap mover. I don't know if ngis be ngapha aside. Angaz man, I just wanted to look cute. Like ngasi angaz. Does it look nice? Wait. Let me wait for my mom to tell me. Hey, Bandla. But yeah, nice setup. These are all like plastic spoons. Plastic spoons, like, guys. And then I just want to put Lena away to get into munch. So I'm gonna underplate Lana. I think that was a cake stand. But I'm gonna underplate Onkela. And then I think that's unless I just have to find out.
Oh, Nana. Just want to know what cocoon. Sure, fine, yes. Yeah, imagine this. Easy. We should make more little up.
Yes.
Wow.
No. Izinto eziningi useless.
So ulahle izinto engasezakho kahle kahle.
Yes, because they're useless.
Okay. Wena upushitse.
One day, nahan. One day. Ngibonisa ngasemavideo.
Also yakoropa.
Look outside, it's so dark. This was Kasemsale. Kukhanya anything on the side.
The time is how much? 7:05.
Hey! Alright, guys. Everything there just needs to be washed and put away. I've also enjoy wash and then put them away where they're supposed to be. Yabo, sharp. And then the mirror I still have to clean. Because it I still look the same because I've been in here, like I've been on my feet the whole day. So I've been in here from after 10 till lunch. You know? Still clean here, clean. I need to put those in the house so I'm not clean. And these, of course, okay, lazy specifically need to go machining, and then that I'm gonna give away. Then this is everything that was there. Everything here is zibi. Here, the plastic bins and whatnot. So most of these things is zoshisiwa and some of them zolashliwa. And obviously I'm above now, I yell up over and whatnot. Sharp. It's clean. The mess is gone. I mopped. Yeah, boy, still wait a little bit. But yeah, that's going in the house. The only thing I had today. Oh yeah, I need to show you down here. Lama womala still need to be washed and put away. There's angaz laser happy. Hey angaz, and that we're gonna give away. That's siphon. Not that it has something, but we're gonna give it away, and the warmers are gonna be washed. Everything here isn't as a warmer. The only thing I had today, guys, was a chocolate Red Bull. We don't want it anymore because we have this now. And get sharp. I still need to clean that part, and my cupboard was really. I hope I will not lose my period. So yeah. Also forgot. I also added this watch which needs to be cleaned. And busy la endlini, and that's how I found it, but I still need to clean it. Yeah, well, it's so cute. I like how it matches with the utensils of this kitchen. Like, yeah, because the guys don't get the gray except the kettle and the toaster, but you don't get the gray. Yeah, that's the update. This is clean. The floor is clean. Everything is clean. Period. I was about to have another chocolate and I realized actually, ideally, let me just finish up and get some food and leave Lana. So we're done. That's a wrap. Let me just grab this. That's a wrap. See, I'm taking this to the house. Good night. This is my first meal of the day, by the way. My first meal of the day. Hi guys again. So I'm not sure if I told you guys the date. It's the 27th, right? And I want to tell you guys a little story because I cleaned, right? Today I cleaned. Then I came back to the house, came back to the house, ate, washed the dishes, bathed, and now having my coffee. And I was just thinking about him. So you know how I travel? You should know, right? You know, if you don't know, go follow my TikTok page. You should know. So I travel a lot, and when I travel, I do collect like things such as boarding passes, you know, things like that, but mainly money, right? And today, as I was busy cleaning up, I came across my grandpa's wallet, and I looked through it, obviously. Opened it, looked through it, and surprisingly, I found money. And then I was like, I was so shocked. I was in awe because what do you mean my grandpa also collected money just like I did? You know, I found money, guys. I found money, and I took that money, put it aside, and I was like, I'm gonna tell my mom that I found this money, right? And I found pins. And these pens, my mom said she would give them to me as soon as I was in matric. I did matric 2022. Those pens disappeared when I did my matric, okay? I think I found the pens in 2020. And then she said, no, I'll give them to you 2022 when you're doing your matric. I asked about them when I was doing my matric and they disappeared. Okay, no one knew where they were. We found them today. It's 2024. Okay, 2024. So yeah, found the pins, found the money, put the money aside, put the pins aside, and I told her later on, oh my gosh, I found money and I'm gonna keep it. She's like, no, why you keep it? I'm like, no, I'm gonna. I know why, because oh my gosh, I was so in awe. Because what do you mean? Mina ngithi ngi-unique sonke lesikhathi kanti no isegazini ngithathele yena umkhulu wami ukuthi like ngicollecte imali, you know. I just want to show you guys my money and the money I got from him, you know, and you'd be shocked what kind of money I got from him. I got this little box, look at that, from this other shop, and a friend of mine suggested that I get this box. It's good for memory keeping, and my first instinct was like, it looks like a box, but now I'm so in love with it. I like it. See how I found imali kamkhulu wami. I want my kids to find this box, or my grandkids one day to find this box and find the memories I kept. Do you see the do you see? And so I fell in love with this box. Like, I knew it was a beautiful box before that, because I got it. I was like, but it looks old. It looks like a box, but it looks like a box and stuff like that. But now I get it. I love this. I get it. Okay, let me show you what's in the box. Let's open the box. I have 20 meticas, which is from Mozambique, right? 2,000 cifras from Gabon. See, right? I have 200 meticas. I won't say cifras. 200 meticas from Mozambique, right? I have 50 euros. 50 euros, right? I have $20, right? $20. And I have, this is also 50 meticas. See that? From Mozambique. So I also have, does it show my information? Yeah, okay, it shows my full name. Oh, no, that's fine. I also have this boarding pass from Mozambique. I was sitting in 16C. I have, this is also a boarding pass. I don't know to wear, but it's just faded, you know. Okay, I know what this is. What is it? I think this was a slip or something. It just has a foreign language. It has a foreign language. I don't know. Oh yes. Oh, it's from Mozambique. There, it's a slip from Mozambique. I paid 880 meticas. I don't know, but it wasn't a lot. This is a boarding pass from Gabon, Libreville to Johannesburg. When I was coming back home, Sky. I also have this LAM. I don't know what this is for, but it's LAM at a flight company. And this is also LAM. This is also a boarding pass. Boarding pass again. Right. This again. I have no idea. Oh, I think these are the bag tags, like when you sky check your bags or whatever. Yeah. Another boarding pass. And another boarding pass. And then I have this thing from, it's a flying, oh, it's a fly, it's a wing. I have this wing from EPT, the school I graduated from. And yeah, so I also have coins. I don't know where this is from. Maybe Bali. Hold on. I don't remember where this is from, but I have it. Hold on. I have that. I hope it's focusing. Focus. I have that. Whether, I don't know if you see it. I think this, I don't know. This is South African. Definitely. It's a rand. it's 1 rand. Yeah, 1 rand. And then I have Sifas. So this is from Gabon. This is 50 Sifas. I think if I don't know 50 cent Elena. Alright. Then I have, hold on. I think this is the same as that. So it's from Mozambique. This is from Mozambique. Dang in Bontle. No, it was from Mozambique. Nebo, at least this one is a bit clearer than the other one. But yeah, that's it. So, so when I was going through these into Zagamkulane, this is the money I found. I got 1,000 kwachas from Zambia. Okay. I got 10,000 meticas from Mozambique. Right. I got $1 bill from America, United States, obviously. I got a 1 rand note from South Africa. Right. And I got a 5 rand note from South Africa. When I say rand, obviously South Africa. Yeah. And then all these other coins are here. This is a 5 cent from here. Do you have a 5 cent? Do you? It's extinct. No one has 5 cent anymore. I have a 5 cent. I have another 5 cent. What do you mean? This is ooh, I don't know. Wherever this money is from, wherever it's from, I have that. I have a 20 cent. I have another 20 cent. I have another 20 cent. I have another 5 cent. And another 5 cent. One more. This money is from Netherlands and it is a 10 cent coin. I have never been to the Netherlands, but thinking a coin. I'm so happy. So I'm just gonna put that all in there with the boarding passes and whatnot. Hopefully one day my kids or my grandkids will find it. It makes me so happy. Like, okay, Mozambique I've never been to the States, but I have their money. One day though. I've never been to Zambia, but I have a kwacha. No, 1,000 kwachas. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. What is this goddamn? It's rands. You guys have never held the 5 rand note and the 1 rand note, and I have it. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. These are still fresh. You can see which is I have more of these. I had more actually. Let me say I had more of these, but when I came back home, I was like, I think I gave my brothers and I gave my mom some of this money. Yeah, guys, this to me is rich. Not how much the money is, no. The happiness that this brings to me is me being rich. Like, I'm rich. Most of this money has no value, by the way. But because this small box right here makes me happy, that to me is richness. Hey, anazi nakhohlana bafethu. Box lam labakonyana. Angijabulisi box lam. And I feel like as time goes by, I'd have to get a bigger one, but I'm happy. I can't even lie, I'm happy. So now I just want to show you guys the things I got from Umemulo shop. Let me put it on top of this book. Can you see this? These are the pens I was supposed to be gifted with in my trip. I'm quite slow because I have to process sometimes. I will cut it manje. So manje, these are the pens they were supposed to give me when I was in the check. and ngizithola manje. Look at that. Look at that, bro. This is happiness. This is richness. Like, because of this, I'm rich. And basically, I must give it to my brother because he's the one doing my treatment. Hi. Ungithembisa ndenze matric. I'm disappointed that this is gone and he wants me to give it away. I'm not doing that. I'm so sorry. Monachi. Cross since 1841. Born. Like, I'm literally blind. I can't tell if it's 1846 or 1848. I think it's 6. Like, I'm not wearing my glasses, guys. Please forgive me. But yeah, that's that. And I kept it. There were also these. And I was like, no ways I'm giving my brother those pens. But there's another pen. And there's a wallet. And he can get that. Okay? And he really likes them. So yeah. Let's start with the wallet. There was something here. It's gone. I have no idea what this was, but it's gone. The wallet. This is the wallet. Yeah, I literally can't see. Jean and Green. Jean and Richanda, as distinctive as you. Okay, yeah. There you go. And then when you open it, of the space it has. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Like, if I was a man, love this. Shut up. This is the packaging. Like, I'm in love with this whole concept. The pin, right? Ballet. Making greater South Africans. Yeah, so this is a South African thingy. I don't know about the rest, but yeah. Making greater South Africans. Let's open it up. Okay, there we go. This is the pen. It is also a very beautiful pen, by the way. Okay, there we go. He kept this pen. So as much as angayithola ngaliya, because bengafuni uyitholile pen. Uyitholile pen, and he's happy with it. He said he likes it. You know, he said he likes it. See, that's the whole packaging. I'm also very in love with the packaging of these whole things. Very beautiful. I love the concept. So these are the things we got actually from Mkulama. Plus the money. This makes me so happy. It makes me so happy. I'm so happy. My coffee is even getting cold because the teta okoko. Anyway, guys, let me get back to drafting and planning for Umemulo. Because ngiyangistressa nina, and nami ngiyastressa because ngithanda izinto. Nani ngiyangistressa ngoba ngithanda izinto. Niyaphi. And nilethe imali. Ngiyanicela nje, yabona wena ngistressa ngakhona. Ngizicelela imali bandla. Ngizicelela nje imali. Let me get back to... Oh, look at how cute this notebook is, by the way. Let me get back to it. I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Oh gosh, I'll see you guys. Okay, I love you guys. Bye. I'm back. I'm so sorry. I just wanted to tell you guys something. There's 5 days until Imatric Dance 14 days until Slando Mkondo. 17 days until Umhlonyana wam. 19 days until the official camp. 20 days until the official Umemulo day. Ziyakhala. I'm not even halfway, but ziyakhala. It's crying. It's on loudspeaker. It's very loud. Anyways, guys, singolala manje. Good night, sonibona ngelinye ilanga la ngizizwa ngathi ngikhuthele khona, la ngizizwa ngathi ngaqeda yonke into futhi in one day ngiyantshela okay, no, kumele ngibuye vele nginibonise i-progress toilet and the kitchen. So tomorrow when I do that, if I do that tomorrow nakhona ngizobuya because I'm really exhausted manje. Ngiyolala embedeni wami. Good night, nilale nikahle. Yeah.
And now my heart can't take no more.